Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Oil separator. Healthier and delicious gravy. Now you can enjoy all your gravy, soups, sauces, and bacon grease without all the fat quickly and easily, and not to mention healthier. The grease separator will be your perfect choice when you're looking for the flavor, but not the fat. Better tasting and healthy. You always want the best taste whether you're making gravy, dressing, or other sauce, and removing the fat, grease, and oil is the best way to start. Meat chopper. Heart with ribbon, you should know we are so confident you'll think we have the best meat masher on the market that we make every order with a full money-back guarantee. So try our meat chopper tool. Heart with ribbon, easy to use mash by pressing blades into cooked food until desired consistency is achieved. Angled blades scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. Heart with ribbon, easy to clean, anti-dirt design. The ground hamburger chopper can be cleaned easily in the sink or dishwasher. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Perfect gift, all black knife set. Elegant and beautiful. Suitable for gifts, home. We provide warranty for each customer. Please feel free to buy. Onion slicer. Multifunctional onion slicer. Javar onion holder slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Convenient and easy. The onion holder slicer allows you to replace your hands while cutting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone to use. Dishwasher safe. With its smooth surface and high-quality material, the onion holder slicer is easy to clean. Salt and pepper grinder. High-quality glass brushed stainless steel salt and pepper mill set. Home EC salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen accessories. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Asterisk salt and pepper not included. Easily adjustable ceramic grinder. Our salt and pepper shakers have a larger heavy-duty ceramic rotor than competitors. Just twist the knob at the top of each salt and pepper shaker to set your desired coarseness of salt, pepper, or spice. An authentic home EC salt and pepper mill pair and funnel arrive in branded packaging with a foam tray to protect your salt and pepper grinder mills. Chef ebook will be emailed. Storage organizers. 2-pack value set sized at 15-inch into 8 into 12.8 each. These organizers fit perfectly for bathroom organizers and storage, kitchen organizers and storage, under sink organizer and under cabinet storage. Sturdy, durable, made of premium thick plastic and metal tube. Ukitap multi-purpose storage organizers promise to bear more weight and stay non-deformation. Bottom pull-out design. The bottom drawer of the organizer can be easily pulled out for the convenient access of the items. Space saver organizer. No more scattered stuff around. These organizers with 12.8-inch height provide spacious space to store your items. Easy to install, no tools needed. These organizers can be easily installed in seconds. Garlic press. Simple to use, built to last. Our premium quality garlic chopper is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Easy to clean. Simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water and use the included cleaning brush to get rid of any garlic bits or place it in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. We recommend rinsing the garlic crusher right after use to avoid residual pulp and fibers hardening up. Hassle-free, Zuli guarantee. We love and take pride in our ginger and garlic press and back this up with a lifetime warranty. We offer an incredible value at a moderate price and are confident that you'll love our garlic grinder. Prop 65 warning. This product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Digital kitchen scale. Contemporary slim design. Made of stainless steel material, it is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. Multiple unit conversion setting. You can easily switch to any unit that you need. It can show units in the following: G/kg/lb/us/ml/milk ml. Yes. It includes milk volume measurement. Low energy consumption with included battery. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power. Plus it has an auto shut-off feature. Backlit display. Easy to see and read panel. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. After-sales support and trusted customer support team assist you with any questions that might arise about your kitchen scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from beginning to end. Sustia's Rotary. Designed for your kitchen. This hand-crank cheese grater is a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen essential, with components made of 18/10 stainless steel blades and food-grade materials that are BPA-avoiding materials for peace of mind. As the representative color of nature, green is brought to your home by Sustia's, which can add a touch of natural beauty to your kitchen and enjoy healthy food easily. Makes shredding a breeze. This latest multi-purpose food grater and shredder chops ingredients up to 12 times faster than other vegetable grater, reducing prep time for greater convenience and efficiency. Equipped with 5 replaceable blades, no need for any cutting skills, just turn the handle a few times, whether sliced or shredded, thick shredded, even wavy. It can be easily handled, quickly prepare food, such as cheese, potatoes, zucchini, carrot, cucumber, chocolate. Silverware set. Set of 40 piece. 40 PCS stainless steel silverware sets includes 8 of each. Dinner knives, dinner forks, salad forks, dinner spoons, and teaspoons, while packing in a gift cardboard box. Premium material. Silverware set 40-piece solid made of high-quality premium stainless steel, rust resistance and nickel-free. Healthy for daily use, easy clean and dishwasher safe. Solid construction ensures everyday usage and durability. No worry about bending. Dishwasher safe. This spoons and forks set stainless steel, forks, spoons, and knives set stainless steel, tableware set, is healthy for everyday use. Dishwasher safe is really convenient for customers. Even after numerous uses and washings, this contemporary silverware set will not lose its mirror-like polish.